guys, it's Adam14X and today I'll be unboxing the G.Skill RipjawsX 2x4GB, so that's 8GB there. I'm going to be showing you basically what's inside. Let me just get better lighting. Okay, it should be a little bit better for lighting. I don't really like the packaging they come in, but it's easy enough to open up. This is what the memory modules look like. Step out of the box. Let me just hold on just a second. Try and show you. There it is. There. It's the red version. Not too sure why I got the red ones and not the blue ones, but I don't know. I'm a bit dumb. I tried to say dumb there, but it came out a bit weird. Not too sure why. But yeah. Oh, whoops. Yeah, that's the G.Skill RipjawsX. It's designed for the 2nd generation Intel Core processors and the Intel Z68 and P67 platform chipsets. But yeah, let me just close this back up. So yeah, there's those. They're around £40 from eBuy.com. I recommend them. They're pretty good. Next day delivery is pretty awesome as well. But yeah, that's that, and I'll be unboxing in my next video the CD8 Barracuda 1TB hard drive. I don't know why I'm doing an unboxing for that. I'll probably mix it in with the, where is it? The motherboard probably. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video.